So we've got the Diligent Sport here talking about, I'm not going to read the whole thing, but he's saying how he has an S Corp and he hasn't filed the S Corp return or his individual 1040 returns since 2020. So beginning of the tax year 2021, he stopped filing. And the reason why he didn't file his personal returns is because he didn't file the S Corp returns, because to do your personal returns, you got to get a K1 from your S Corp, right? Extremely common scenario. At least, not a majority, but a strong minority of non-filers who come to us, they have some kind of business entity set up. It could be an LLC, it could be an LLC taxed as an S Corp, might be a C Corp or a partnership. And sometimes the reason they get behind in filing their taxes is because they just felt they were kind of in over their head now with having to file a separate business tax return, right? For example, a Form 1120-S for an S Corp, right? And then because they don't do the S Corp return, they don't generate the K1, they can't do the 1040 because they need the K1 for the S Corp to do the 1040, right? Very common situation. We handle folks like this at least on a weekly basis here at Choice Tax Relief. And this guy's question is quite long. I'm not going to read the whole thing. He's not sure what to do. Basically, the answer is, dude, you just got to file these taxes. If you haven't done books for these years, then you're going to have to do some bookkeeping. Yes, I know it's a lot of work. And I know that if you're running a business right now and you have family and you have this and that and everything else, you probably don't have time to sit down and do 4 years of books, a whole S Corp tax return, federal S Corp tax return, state S Corp tax return, 4 years of individual filing. That's why we exist. That's why Choice Tax Relief is here, because we have people, teams of people whose job it is 8+ hours a day, 5+ days a week to do this stuff under my oversight. Okay. Just from a tax return file, let's forget the resolution, just from a tax return filing perspective, we do so many tax returns on a weekly basis. I'm talking about S Corp, C Corp, partnership, 1040 individual, right? And lots of bookkeeping too. It's a lot of work. We're very busy with this kind of stuff. And the bottom line is, Diligent Sport is, you just got to do it, or you got to pay somebody to do it, okay? Because those penalties and interest are racking up. There's a failure to file penalty for the S Corp, right? That's a per K1 penalty. There's a failure to file and the failure to pay penalty on the individual. There's interest on both. That stuff is just going to keep accruing and keep accumulating unless you deal with the issue, okay? And there's no better place to deal with it than Choice Tax Relief. If you have multiple years of unfiled tax returns, maybe it's just a 1040, maybe it's a 1040 and a business return, you qualify for a free consultation with us here at Choice Tax Relief. So give us a call, 866-8000-TAX. That's 866-8000-829. Just schedule your free consultation, or you can go to choicetaxrelief.com, fill out the form on the website, and we will reach out to you. You especially want to stop those S Corp penalties from running. I actually have a video about S Corp penalties linked. There should be that video popping up here on the screen somewhere as this video is coming to close. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.